The Schlage Encode Plus smart lock primarily uses a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Connectivity issues often stem from interference, incorrect router settings, or outdated firmware. We'll walk through common causes and solutions to get your lock back online. Remember, the device was recalled in 2022 for security issues, but has had firmware updates since then. The Schlage Encode Plus smart lock specifically requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for optimal performance. This frequency band provides better range and can penetrate walls more effectively than the faster 5 GHz band. Make sure your router has the 2.4 GHz band enabled separately. Some routers dynamically switch between bands, which can cause connection issues with the lock. Common household devices like microwaves and cordless phones can interfere with the 2.4 GHz signal. The lock will scan for your network name and requires WPA2 or WPA3 security encryption for connection. Let's cover the basics of setting up Wi-Fi on your Schlage Encode Plus lock. Begin by downloading and opening the Schlage app on your iOS or Android device. The lock uses a QR code or NFC for initial pairing. Scan the code or tap your phone to the lock to start the process. You'll then need to enter your router credentials. Make sure to double-check that you're typing the correct Wi-Fi password. Ensure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz network during the setup process. This is crucial for the lock's connectivity. Since 2024, Matter protocol integration has made setup easier, allowing seamless connection to Google Home and Apple HomeKit ecosystems. Follow these steps carefully to get your Schlage Encode Plus connected reliably. When troubleshooting router settings for your Schlage Encode Plus, start by accessing your router's admin panel through a web browser. Open your web browser and enter your router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1 or a similar default address. This gives you access to the router's configuration panel. In the router settings, find the MAC filtering section and disable it. MAC filtering can block your lock from connecting to the network if it's not on the allowed list. If your router is dual band, create a dedicated 2.4 GHz network SSID. This ensures the lock connects only to the 2.4 GHz band, avoiding 5 GHz interference. Improve signal strength by positioning your router closer to the lock, ideally within 30 to 50 feet, and avoiding obstacles that can weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Finally, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. This refreshes the connection and can resolve temporary network issues. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity problems. Check for updates within the Schlage app. The latest firmware as of Q4 2025 includes enhancements that reduce connection drops. Version 2.8.1 introduced AI-assisted Wi-Fi scanning. When Wi-Fi connectivity fails, the Schlage Encode Plus automatically switches to offline mode as your backup plan. In offline mode, you can still access your door using several methods. While remote unlocking is disabled in offline mode, all local features continue to work normally. The lock will automatically try to reconnect to Wi-Fi when possible. Interference from other devices on the 2.4 GHz band can disrupt your Schlage Encode Plus connection. Minimize this by keeping the lock away from microwaves and cordless phones, which operate on the same frequency. Consider changing your router's Wi-Fi channel to a less congested one to avoid overlapping signals. In urban environments with many neighboring networks, try relocating your router to a central position in your home. Looking ahead, the future of smart locks promises more reliable connectivity through hybrid solutions that combine online and offline capabilities. Expect hybrid connectivity systems with strong offline resilience, ensuring access even during connectivity issues. Schlage plans to release the Encode Plus 2 in 2027, featuring built-in cellular fallback that eliminates Wi-Fi dependency entirely. Advancements like Wi-Fi 7 will enhance 2.4 GHz stability, providing faster and more reliable connections for smart devices.